Hey everyone, this is Dylan from FC Niger, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Fibonacci tools on TradingView. On the screen, we currently have our TradingView open. Next thing we'll do is access the charting interface. By the left here, we are going to select the Fibonacci tool. If you'd like to make that faster, just type in Alt-F for both Windows and Mac users. Then we can choose the Fibonacci tool and apply the Fibonacci tool to our charts. So let me just drag it to these two levels and see where it might retrace to. Also, if you'd like to customize the Fibonacci tool, you could double tap it and add the values you personally like. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you apply the Fib tool on your TradingView app. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.